Namaskar, this is Disha ma'am, and we are going to learn English. Yesterday, we completed unseen passages in worksheet. Today, we'll be doing a chapter of grammar in worksheet. इसके साथ साथ आई गॉट मैनी कॉल्स सेइंग दैट मुझे चैप्टर नंबर काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस नहीं समझ में आए हैं. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव कंपाइल्ड ऑल द थिंग्स and I have tried to make it easier for you guys. So children, here I am with revision in worksheet. It is of chapter number 4, that is kinds of sentences. We have already done this in the grammar textbook. I got many calls saying कि हमें sentences नहीं आते हैं या kinds of sentences नहीं समझ में आते हैं. So here I have made a simple mind map for you to understand this kinds of sentences very easily. Right? चलिए तो let us study this mind map before starting this chapter. Sentences. Any words which are arranged in such a way that it makes a sense are termed as sentences, that we all know. Now there are kinds of sentences. Which are the kinds of sentences? Interrogative, exclamatory, assertive and imperative. I repeat, interrogative, exclamatory, assertive and imperative. 4 types of sentences that we are going to learn. Now, what is interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are question sentences. What are they? They are question sentences. As you can see, which is the sign that comes at the end of the interrogative sentence is a question mark. Clear? So interrogative are question sentences and it ends in a question mark. For example, who are you? Question mark. So whenever you see this question mark, it is understandable that it is interrogative sentence. Clear? Chaliye, coming to the next types of next kind of sentence, exclamatory. Now exclamatory is what? It is either surprising or shocked. या आपको कोई surprise मिले when you are having a surprising feeling or you are shocked. At that time, the sentences which are spoke are termed in the exclamatory sentences. They end with this sign exclamation. Can you see this sign, exclamation sign? A line and a dot. Clear? That is the exclamation sign. तो जो भी sentence which ends with this exclamation sign comes in the exclamatory sentence. Clear? चलिए, for example, wow, that's great news. Wow, exclamatory sign, that's great news, right? If we are here, we are surprised. So exclamatory is a sentence which is either surprising or shocking. Clear? And the sentence ends with the exclamatory sign. Clear? Chaliye, moving to the third one, assertive sentence. ASSERTIVE, assertive sentence. Now assertive sentence, what are they? They are just simple sentences. What are they? They are just simple sentences. Informatory sentence. I have a pen, I have a pencil, you are going to London, I am coming from Morbi, right? So simple sentences which ends with a full stop. Can you see the full stop? Simple sentences that ends with a full stop. For example, I have a pen. Simple sentence, right? उसमें कुछ नहीं है. It's a simple statement which ends with a full stop. These are known as assertive. What are they? Assertive, right? And the last one, imperative. I am PERATIVE, imperative. What are the sentence which are imperative? This sentence are either order or request. So what is the difference between assertive and imperative is that assertive sentences are just simple sentences, whereas imperative sentence are either giving you order और रिक्वेस्टिंग यू. या तो आपको ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं या तो आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट? दिस बोथ एंड्स विद द फुल स्टॉप. कैन यू सी द फुल स्टॉप? इनकी साइन दोनों की फुल स्टॉप है. लेकिन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन असर्टिव एंड इम्परेटिव इज, असर्टिव इज सिंपल स्टेटमेंट, वेयर एज इम्परेटिव is an order or a request. Clear? For example, give me a pen. It's an order. Give me a pen. मुझे पेन दो. Please open the door. It's a request. Right? So this is imperative, which either orders you or requests you. The difference between assertive and imperative is that assertive are simple sentences, whereas imperative are either order or request. Clear? चलिए तो एक बार वापस रिवाइज कर ले. What are the four kinds of sentences? Interrogative, exclamatory, assertive and imperative. What are interrogative? They are question sentences. What are exclamatory? They are surprising or shocked sentences. What are assertive? They are simple sentences. Imperative, they are order or request. Now, what is the sign which is used in interrogative? It is a question mark. Exclamatory sign ends with exclamatory sign. Both assertive and imperative ends with the full stop. Clear? अगर आप चाहें तो मैं इसका क्लिक भी भेज सकती हूँ सो दैट इट कम्स टू योर माइंड ऑल्सो. क्लियर? चलिए, नाउ टुडे लेट अस बिगिन विद द सेशन. टुडे वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग ओनली वन पेज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर नंबर 4, काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. रीड द पैसेजेस एंड राइट द टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, हमने यहाँ पे 15 सेंटेंसेस आर देयर. You have to mention the types of sentences. Clear? You have to write. Chalo, ready? First one, how well she sings. See, it's a question sentence but it is ending with exclamatory sign. ये question नहीं है, right? So this is exclamatory sentence. So here you will write exclamatory, exclamatory, exclamatory. Clear? What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. क्या है? What is your name? Question mark. So, what is it? It is a interrogative sentence. Yes, I told you that if it ends with a question mark, then it is an interrogative sentence. Now, third one. Did I say anything to make you angry? Question mark. Again, interrogative. Interrogative. सेंटेंसेज आप नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पीछे तो चलेगा. इट इज़ ओनली द टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज दैट वी नीड. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? ओहो, अगेन आ गया. कोई बात नहीं, विल राइट अगेन. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज़ योर नेम? इट इज़ इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. मैम बेचारे मेरे जैसे हो तो भूल जाते बार बार आपका नाम, है ना? तो 2 बार पूछ लिया, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम. क्लियर? चलिए, नेक्स्ट वन. हु टोल्ड यू दिस? Question mark. Again, it is an interrogative sentence. Ma'am is questioning again and again. Right? Chaliye, next one, 6th one. She is a successful writer. Full stop. She is a successful writer. Here, there is no order or no request. It's a simple sentence which tells you something. So, this sentence comes in assertive. What is it? Assertive. E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive. What is it? E-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive. Chaliye. Next one. It is raining cats and dogs. Here, see, children, cats and dogs means heavily. It is a metaphor which is used. It is raining cats and dogs. माना कुत्ता और डॉगी, कुत्ता और कैट जैसा नहीं है. It is a metaphor used that if it is raining very heavily, we say that it is raining cats and dogs. Clear? So, it is raining cats and dogs. It is also a simple informative sentence. So, it is assertive. E-A-S-S-E-R-T-I-V-E. Assertive. Right? चलिए, next. I want to become a writer. मुझे writer बनना है. It is again assertive. It is not giving any command or any request to anyone. Assertive. Next one. She does not eat meat or fish. आपको information दे रहा है that this girl is not eating meat or fish. So it is assertive. Next, go at once. They are ordering you. So what would it come? Go at once. It is imperative. 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 आपको ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं. They are ordering you. Next, bring me that file. Again, they are ordering you. So, imperative. EMPERATIVE. Imperative. Next, my mother makes delicious cookies. My mother makes delicious cookies. This is an informatory sentence. So, it is assertive. Done? Chalo. Next, get lost. It is imperative. Somebody is ordering you. Get lost. Imperative. 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 Clear? Chaliye. Next one. Fetch me a glass of water. Again, ordering you. So, imperative. Fetch me a glass of water. Imperative. Done? Fetch me a glass of water. So, it is imperative sentence. Last one, the 15th one is please be seated. Now here please is used. So that means that they are requesting you. Alright. So please be seated is again an imperative statement. Imperative. Done? Can you see this? How well she sings! Exclamatory. What is your name? Interrogative. Did I say anything that made you angry? Interrogative. What is your name? Again interrogative. Who told you this? Interrogative. She is a successful writer. Assertive. It is raining cats and dogs. Assertive. I want to become a writer. Assertive. She does not eat meat or fish. Assertive. Go at once. It can also be told as negative sentence. इसको negative जहाँ पे no या not का use होता है, even if you use no या not, right? So it is termed as the negative sentence also. So both are correct, either assertive or negative. Go at once. It is a command. So imperative sentence. Bring me that file. Again it is a command. So imperative. My mother makes delicious cookies. Assertive. Get lost. Imperative. Fetch me a glass of water. Imperative. Please be seated. Imperative. Done? Chaliye. We will again make sure that you remember what is the difference between assertive and imperative is. Assertive are simple informatory sentences, whereas imperative are either request or order. Clear? Chaliye. Hope you will not forget these types of sentences now. Clear? Chaliye. Today's homework would be come to page number 23. हमने यहाँ पे 23 पेज नंबर पे हम वी आर डन दिस सीन पैसेजेस लास्ट वीक लास्ट हो गया है 23. सो हियर टुडे सीन पैसेज दिस वुड बी योर HW ओनली दिस मंथ. दिस इज अ पैराग्राफ एंड उसके नीचे के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, राइट? दिस विड बी योर होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज सीन पैसेज 1 ऑफ पेज 23 इन वर्कशीट. क्लियर? चलिए, till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care, stay home, bye bye.